It's good. I've been walking down the street for many years. Yeah, I've been walking down the street for many years. Let's do a gun. It's clocked. Now, how does this thing work? No, that doesn't seem right. Help me. Help me. Monster in the house. Monster in the house. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. 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 I'm sorry. Didn't mean no harm. No harm. No harm. Where are you? Where are you going? No. No. I swear I'll kill you. Oh God. That was easy. Oh, where'd you go? I guess it's that way. Oh, okay, I think he's gone. Okay, I need to splash of water. I need a splash of water on my face. Watch this water run. So fresh and new. I forgot even the monster was here. Who said monster? Who said monster? Really? Want to give me the nightmares? Girlfriend. Oh, now who's scared? Now who's scared? Huh? There's a monster in the house. What? Who said monster? Now who's scared? Man, I'm still scared of that monster. What? What'd you say? You scared. You scared. Anyways, hungry. That was so good. Gosh, remember the monster that was chasing me earlier? Monster! Who said monster? Monster! 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 Monster, monster. The monster, monster. The monster, monster. Oh, wait, my eyes are itchy. Okay. Oh, my eyes burning. Let me just put some pepper in it. Oh. Oh. Yep. Oh. Oh. Yep. That feels good. Okay. Seriously. Who's got that? Okay. Seriously. Monster. Who's the monster? Where's my gun? Oh, you little kid stole it. I'm sexy and I know it. This new bottle is an original. Want me to eat it? Gotta go. Time to go put a remote on my butt. Bye bye.